Quick question for you. How would you like to make more money? See, it doesn't matter if you are an affiliate or you sell your own products or services, if you're a coach, an e-com owner, if you are selling anything online, there is an opportunity to make even more money if you introduce what we call an offer wall. So this video is going to show you how to build an offer wall, but also the advanced strategies and the tutorial behind it to make sure you can maximize the profits and make even more impact. So if you've watched the previous videos about the offer wall, if you haven't, it's right there on my channel. We're going to say we're looking at an affiliate offer here. So we've got a bridge page, we've got an affiliate offer leading to a thank you. And of course, we don't have control over this thank you page because it is an affiliate offer. However, what we can do is when we collect email addresses here, we can send people to an offer wall or resources. And let's have a look and see what that looks like. And a good friend of mine actually said, if you want to make more money, make more offers. And this rings true with the offer wall, because if you are giving people another option to make a purchase, they're more likely to do it because they've already liked you and trust you enough to make that purchase in the first place. So here's the offer wall at the moment, and there is a link below to actually download this, so you don't have to do all the videos yourself. Just change out the affiliate links and you're good to go. Or you can upload and make your own review videos onto YouTube and just import them onto the page. And changing them out is really, really simple. I'll just show you real quick. Just click on any video and just put the other YouTube link in there. So back to it. What have I done to actually change this to make it a little bit more of a push? I've highlighted one of the programs that I want people to go ahead and purchase. In this case, it's Clickfunnels, and just put must have on there. Another thing that I've done is I've added bonuses to the bottom. So if people make any purchase on the page, they can collect a nice bonus as well. And finally, the most important thing is there is a little bit more work to this, and you don't have to do it if you don't want to. But if you remember our funnel example, we have a bridge page sending to another offer. So what I did was I actually built this bridge page here. So if someone likes the idea of getting the affiliate secrets from Spencer Meekum, they go through this bridge page first, and then I'll tell them a little bit more about the specific bonuses for that product. However, if you're selling your own products or services, whether that be coaching, digital products, or physical products via e-com, then it's so simple just to add this. Instead of a thank you page, you have an offer wall. You can still explain to people that they're getting their product, service, or anything they bought on the offer wall page, but now you're giving them another chance to make a purchase. So here it is in an example with my 10K method. Again, links in the description. You can go ahead and get this, and once they go to the final purchase, they go to the offer wall here, which of course leads them onto this page. So there is more of an option for people to make even more purchases. And of course, you as the funnel owner, you get an opportunity to make even more money. And if you're finding this useful so far, be sure to give us a like on there, drop a comment with any program that you'd like a bridge page made for. And of course, drop a subscribe on the channel as well, so that you can keep updated as I make more videos on the subject, and of course making passive income online. So here we can see it in action again. If you look at what I did before, as a free ebook, a bridge page video, and then going ahead and making a sale. And of course, you can do this whether it's your product or an affiliate product. The only difference being is if it's an affiliate product, then obviously you can't put your offer wall on the back end. You'll have to send an email to it. But once someone makes a purchase here, they're going to be met with an offer wall where they can make even more purchases. So it's essentially just making even more money from the same person that's coming in the first place. So to visualize that, it looks a little bit more like this. So you've got different affiliate products which could result in more sales, another affiliate product, more sales, another, and so on and so forth. But of course, it could be your own products. So let's say you are selling leather goods online and you have like a wallet. You can also, once someone goes ahead and purchases that wallet, you can then sell them other things like a matching belt or some shoes or anything that would correlate with that first purchase. And people are more likely to go ahead and make another purchase, of course. And if I really want to get advanced on that, then I would create a new funnel for each item that you are selling. So in my example where I said about affiliate sales, I created a bridge page where they can go ahead and lead on to that purchase. And if you're doing e-com, then if you've got a sales funnel for your e-com, then on your offer wall, branch out and have a sales funnel for each of the new items that people see on their offer wall. And it is really profitable as well. I've seen people where they're making 25,000 from one sales funnel, but then because they add in that offer wall on the back end, they're then able to make another 25 grand from that funnel, another 25 grand from that funnel, and another 25 grand from that funnel. All of a sudden, they 4x their income. They've gone from 25 to 100,000 in revenue every single month. So this concept does work. It sometimes can take a little bit more work on the back end, but once you see the figures coming in, you'll want to put that work in because you know it's going to benefit you in the long term. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and passive income, then I've created this video for you here so you can follow along and see how the experts do it, and of course, check out even more ideas to get that journey going.